A new coronavirus variant was detected in South Africa by scientists on November 24, 2021. Classified as the highly transmissible variant of concern, the now named Omicron has caused panic across the world, with many nations shutting their doors in a flashback to the early days of the outbreak of the pandemic.
We shouldn't need another wake-up call. We should all be wide awake to the threat of this virus. But Omicron's very emergence is another reminder that although many of us might think we're done with COVID-19, it's not done with us. We're living through a cycle of panic and neglect. Hard-won gains could vanish in an instant. Our most immediate task, therefore, is to end this pandemic.
Experts say viruses constantly change through mutation, and new variants of a virus that arise from these mutations are expected to occur over time. Multiple variants of the virus that causes COVID-19 have been documented globally during this pandemic.
As the pandemic continues, variants have become the latest concern, with notable examples detected in South Africa, Brazil, and the UK. But variants are complicated. Each one is made up of a collection of mutations, all of which have the potential to change the SARS-CoV-2 virus in unexpected ways.
As the new COVID-19 variant Omicron strengthens and migrates across the world, several nations imposed travel bans and restrictions on countries affected by the disease. Persons with a travel history in the last 14 days to Zimbabwe, Botswana, Lesotho, and Eswatini will not be allowed into Grenada. The advisory was announced last Friday by the government of Grenada and takes immediate effect. Meanwhile, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said on Wednesday that it has confirmed the first U.S. case of the Omicron strain of COVID-19 in a man in California who had returned from South Africa on November 22nd. According to the World Health Organization Director General, the COVID-19 Omicron variant poses a very high risk of infection that could have severe consequences in some parts of the world.
The emergence of the highly mutated Omicron variant underlines just how perilous and precarious our situation is.
For this week's health update,